Hi viewers, welcome back to MasterJSkills. So this video is for clarity on when I'll be sharing the documents on all the tutorials with you all, and some of you guys were asking whether it's for free or paid, and this complete video is a very short video. This is for clarity on MasterJSkills and its content. So I have already posted into the community section of MasterJSkills channel that when I'll be sharing, and to clarify you guys, the MasterJSkills tutorials and its documents completely for free. So I'll be sharing you guys all the documents which I have already with me. I have all the documents, and still I am preparing some of the content or the documents for a further roadmap of MasterJSkills. So I'll be sharing all of them into as a book. Like I'll be sharing all of these in as a book to you guys in PDF. I'll share you guys drive link where you can download easily without paying. Like it will be free of cost. So once I reach 1,000 subscribers and 2,000 hours completed, then I'll be posting the link where you can download all the documents in the community section. So as you are a subscriber, you will be getting a notification if you press the bell icon. So you can download and you can go through. So till then, I'm extremely sorry to make myself this job as a biggest responsibility. I'm making this a smallest condition towards this channel. So I'm looking for these many subscribers so that I'll be constantly working on the MasterJSkills so that it will help you guys, and the subscribers, the number of subscriber increases, my responsibility as well increases, and it will really motivate me to come up with the good videos and good tutorials. So this is the thought behind this subscription. And as you can see, since long time I am not posting anything, and I'm not working on a MasterJSkills due to lots of busy work. So if the subscriber increases, if the things goes well, and I'll be motivated, I'll force myself to make a time for MasterJSkills. So this is the thought behind this video. So if any one of your friends or family members or cousins, anyone are eager to learn on Java and its framework, please share with them. Only if they are interested to learn, please share with them. So please do support me to work on MasterJSkills. And as you can see, I have already given as let's learn together. So let's learn together and grow together. So the quick roadmap of upcoming tutorials is first I'll go with the Spring framework. You might be asking, like you might have posted the Spring framework first, then Spring Boot, but I had a ready content, like I have already prepared a Spring Boot content, so I have posted the Spring Boot tutorial. So I'll be coming with a Spring framework. Then some of you guys were asking for Spring security, so I'll cover Spring security as well in the Spring framework tutorial itself. Later on, I'll move to the Hibernate. Then with the Hibernate, I will teach you some basic queries of a database, MySQL queries, so that how we can connect Hibernate framework with a database, how it can communicate. So I'll come up with an database as well. Then later on we can jump into the RESTful web services. So this is the flow I am creating, because later on, after all these all, I'll be creating one sample application, small application, so that you can combine all of those frameworks and core of a Java into this, including a including Spring Boot framework. So how we can integrate together, that and all we will learn into one application. So this is overall I have designed to post into the MasterJSkills in upcoming tutorials. So later on, I have some other things like microservices, design patterns, some of the and JUnit, Docker, Jenkins. There are lots of things to learn. As I was very busy, I was not able to make videos and create content itself. So if I reach a subscribers and if my responsibility increases, then obviously I'll try to make a time for a MasterJSkills. And it's the biggest request for you guys to increase my responsibility to make a time specifically for MasterJSkills, to work towards MasterJSkills. So that's all for this video, and thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks again for watching.